Yeah.
Itariki emerongo ebere na isano umutienyukane umwaka w'ikirubere nemerongo ebere na inye 2024 na mange abera korekana imense icyo ya Kenya ase umurayiwense Dr. William Ruto abagakora omoroberio bose omoyega olia boko igora amagacho na abisi chie bunge akorukwa bunge towers boigo nigo ime county ya Kisii aba MCA ase chi ward au bagendrete kwena na chibasari abuna enchereye monyo kwene kingusira bali aboro kigwa chiskuru chitarachi koigorwa ikaranso ike mbingo kumanyinga kyabira gwate ko rwakete cinza chamambi wekera bono mugasoni garagire cinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso iretane nkoro kwa job maangi notako batoko bwate na nere linde kwene kichibichechi boigo na maliogi abira wekera asenchera yobwekera nunsara momanyi oyo kwene kinganko nyorole amangana wetera asenchera yomunwa weimanyererio Lydia Musenkora nande asekretary tambe mbekomanya kyabira gwate ko wakete cinza chamambi goikera bono mugaso. Amaji ningo chukura chaka kurua ase county ya Kisii ekaruchi skuru chirige tigo chukoigorua inseye wikemo nigo ime county ya Kisii aba MC bandeta kwena na chibasari ase chinsemo au ime ye county ya Kisii asaba menyi be ward area gesusubale kibako egokelia maiga yomo MC bwensemo eyo koba chibasari rituko ria lero ase boigo ime chibunge au na boigo chiward au aba MC bandata kwena na chibasari aseboigo omugavana aberga gotarina koroto chinsemo au asichibasari chigendete kwena nwa ime ye county area ya Kisii.
Litukolia rero chitariki emerongo ebere na isano aramisi nelituko twachigeta abantu bagesusu gocha ko ichicheki chibasari chicheki chiri baganyereire mono asenge ncho bokorekano bwa bake ne budget ya Kisii County ekagera ebasari gatebana lakini litukolia rero ninde no mogoko nga ngorunde nguchinde kubwatuka chicheki gwetani eri bweyemo uchiasa abantu baito bagesusu skuru ngwegoruchire next week ego bachira so bonge so that abana a week egocha etoka nemba bwatebesa bakoiranire skuru nimanyitinga bune county nabo tutaisane kwa abayibuli chibesa chikonya abana lakini chiri chinke asenge ncho kubagira abana nande county ngi manene ne chibesa chito ne chinke aba rende ngo this time round tramambi ngo chaka tolomoroberi bokoru chi form so that by next week abana bali ba form 1 bali bata prete basari banyore chibesa na barabu a week elianse echigokonya se ogo ase school fees yabo maybe ase balance ri barati gali mogoko sana ase paseri konyanyora litukolia rero turuo mo MC oito Anthony Nkundi Kerage na abere no mogoka abana bati bage go abantu gwetania emerongo 5 babiri bagusiria amagimabo kubwatekana no gotua kwembura enyinge imechi nsemo au ime county imense ichwa Kenya ingana yaberege kwirira etoigo yabere kwirira abange goskoborua abomenyo na boigo abange ase chipara konyora chingo kerba kora obosombi ase ekuro entindi abono yaberege kurwego gochia ase bali abaga chete nyomba angene
kindoche kunganya korwa ase chinseme icho naboigo nigo mugavana we county area Machakos wa Vinya Wandeti rote bangamba chikwirira egetambukere egetindi onde bwensi oratoke na mamochoyo kwagacha chinyumba chinsemo chitabwenreti asebonega ugosaba kwandate korwe gochia ase serikali ye county nabo go serikali au kobeka emirobiri eisaineri negosira nawe gotolia bali babiri bakonyora ogwakwa kobwatekana no nembura egendete otwa sinsemo au yabere kuirira etoigo enene anagos no gosombwa kwa bantu abange.
Yangu tu ni kusema hiyo pahali vile nimeona imekaa, watu wengi sana wangetaka kuja kuketi hapo. Najua mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. Sasa hiyo comfort nimeona pale, mkaekae hapo Friday mteremuke mashinani. Hapo ndio maneno iko, because hapa ni mzuri lakini maneno iko pale.
Within a short period of time, like 20 minutes, maji ilikuwa kila mahali. So tukakuwa trap, huwezi toka, huwezi fanya anything, tukaenda kwa roof.
While I was at work, I just received a call from my wife and she said, I think there's a fence just aside our house that has been broken by the water and the water was flowing.
And here we are not going to miss our words. We want to tell the developers, you know the law. You know how far you should be from the river.
It is also very important when a call has been made, they should be able to adhere to it. Concerning the unclogging of the, it's also the duty of the counties and those areas that are
Togos kabosioni go omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto abagakora omoyega olia bokuigora na boigo gosiolia amagacho na bisi cyababunge asomono bekenyamero bunge tawa siritukolero omurobero goikeranwa nabarai akorwa ase serikali anemono omokonyo muraibwense Rigathi Gachagua omo waziri tenete abawaziri bonsi Musalia Mudavadi abanogeli bechi bunge chonse na boigo abara ikurwa asensemo elia ekwamerelia serikali omoyega obaguikiranwa na boigo abarayi abo nigo bakogokera egetambukere kyo ekerachikwene kinga ababunge konyora bale chinga kichinyororo ekero bakora emirimo yabo nigo yaira serikali chibesa chimilioni chibilioni kianda nuguta isanemo elinde kwagacha amagacho ayo ase omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto abagakwira libagali abene kwerera emiroberi babegeterinde kwene kinga ngokonya bale nabo igosira abakenya babere bakonyora ogwakwa nembura enyinge nabo igo etoigo ase chinsemo au enseito ya Kenya.
We have provided from our Ministry of Special Programs food and other amenities to support those in need. This morning, I have authorized the National Youth Service to provide land for those people who are living dangerously in some of the areas, for them to be moved from those areas into some safe ground as we decide on what to do with them next. Shortly, I will be having another emergency session with our multi-agency teams to make sure that we provide adequate support to all those in need and to move citizens who are in dangerous areas that may be susceptible to floods away from those areas. And unfortunately, we will have to move some of them even without them agreeing, because otherwise they put themselves in danger. The Deputy President will be having a meeting tomorrow with all the other actors, including our development partners, to facilitate greater collaboration to deal with this challenge.
Kaukwana asenseme yonigo omokonyi bumuraibwense omokonyi bumuraibwense Rigathi Gachagua abagago sababa bunge kobwaterana nawe okone kinga ngoikirani bali amagenderero ase abakenya bali ase chinsemo chiria babete bagotora bigomba nabagago saba okobwaterana ase esegeria yokurwania amariogo atanje iri na boigo obutumeki bwebinywego bitari ebirongerinde kwane kinga enseicho ya Kenya gochiere konyora abakenya nabo igo abasae barachi kwagacha nabo gokora emirimo yabo buna ebwenrete batari gotumika ebinywegwa biria bita ancheri.
Yangu tu ni kusema hiyo pahali vile nimeona imekaa, watu wengi sana wangetaka kuja kuketi hapo. Najua mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. Sasa hiyo comfort nimeona pale, mkaekae hapo Friday, mteremuke mashinani. Hapo ndio maneno iko. Because hapa ni mzuri, lakini maneno iko pale. We have 2 programs that I want to ask for your support. We have a program on drug and substance abuse that we are fighting, that the president has directed me to lead a multi-agency team to make sure that we protect our people, our young people, the productive population from drugs. When we hold forums with our security agencies and our administrators, we do normally invite you as leaders to come.
Togoska bosio maega yokubwatwa koyokabeire umwaziri wekegancha gya serikali insi yokabeire umuraibu ensomokoro Uhuru Kenyatta asamalita ukoria tani na boigo yokabeire omugavana we county area Marsabit Mohamed Ali kubwatekana na sebako mochugwa kubwateraniwa nama mocho yobokuruminigo abawakili babo bakorawa no senator bose omugavana olia we county area sia James Orengo na boigo omuraibu kiama keria giadi epi Kenya we June wa maru wababete bagwe sokia na kugikeria enchera omuwaziri oyu abete gagotero na boigo gusaganwa ase enkayae ase kolinde bono babeire bakubwatuka ase amatuko 5 nabere na kolinde babiri na gusabwa gwikira na bosio gwekyombekerie kuruani obukurumegia EACC elinde koiranelia amabuli nabo igo kwena na oroboti roime igoro yobo tukibogenrete anemono asama mocho ayobwateraniri yobo kurumi.
While others were taken to the commission offices in Isiolo, where they have recorded statements and given a conditional release to return to the commission after 1 week to continue clarifying the issues that are pending before the files are forwarded to the next stage.
There are investigations relating to the county of Marsabit, and those investigations are not confined to any particular administration.
My colleague was invited here to assist in investigations. But what accompanied that request, the drama around it, including raiding his home in Karen, his rural home in Marsabit, and other offices in the city, the drama was totally unnecessary.
We do not know exactly what they're investigating, except that they say it's about the administration in Marsabit. We do not.
Nete asengana erengete obokurumi nigo ekyombekelia kya ANCC kiri kuruania oborkurumi boigo bakubwaterana nekyombekelia kuruania obotumeki wa mariogo atancheiri baba bakwaligania egekaro kyabagekoreta ababwatani ao ime yomochi olia o Nairobi buna enchera eyamoyo kwanira chinchera ao baraba kubwaterana ase okuruania obokurumi nigo oyo kabeire omujaji omonene iminsi cha Kenya Justice David Maraga aba gawikirana ase karo ekyo asabaga korwa esegeto enene gochia sabaliki bamangana ama yakoba ase omustali obosio asokurwania obukurumi nabo ekonekinga amangana bakoralia na yoboronge nabo ekonekinga ngokora bale obutuki bwaime elinde konekinga ngosira bale ase esegi elia ekorwania obukurumi ime yense ya ya Kenya.
Bringing together the media practitioners to enhance their technical skills for better performance of their roles in promoting social justice. Historically, the media has played a very critical role in highlighting corruption in government, and honestly, hardly does a day pass without there being an item in the media about corruption. The leaders fear exposure. Exposure. So when you expose some of those yields, it is extremely important, and it plays a very important role. So very well that if you want to be taken seriously, verify the facts. Verify the facts, so that when you report, somebody is not going to say, look at this.
Mwanjumulilia Ondizi TV orobocho rulengete obokurumino tochuikera omwelio bwamangana mayia chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso eliterane nkoro kwa Job Maangi no taweto kubwatana na nere linda kone kichibi chechi boigo na maliogi abera oikera asenchera yobwekera no ansara momanyo yone kinga konyorole chibi chechi wetera asenchera yomuno imanyelelio Lydia Mosibikara chinga kichinde na abaganeri obuligerelia obuya Imean Ondizi TV nabwo obwansu bumuguse.